How to turn off read receipt on Facebook Messenger. So if you want to hide read receipt on your Facebook Messenger so that no one will find out whether you've read a message sent to you or not, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off read receipt on Facebook Messenger, what you just need to do is go ahead and open the Messenger app on your phone. So this could be on Android and it could be on iPhone. Click on the menu icon at the top left. Then click on the settings icon at the top right. Once you click on that, hang on for this page. Then you want to scroll down until you get to privacy and safety, then click on that. Under privacy and safety, you want to scroll down the page, keep scrolling until you get to what people see, then locate read receipt. Let people see that you've read their messages. So click on that. Then once you click on read receipt, you want to disable this. Show the receipt, then go ahead and disable it. People will be able to see when you read their messages. So to disable read receipt on your Facebook Messenger, just toggle this off. Then you should say people won't be able to see when you've read their messages and you'll be able to see when they've read yours. Then you can just hit the back button and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to turn off read receipt on Facebook Messenger. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.